DJI's Mini series has been a popular choice for beginner drone pilots seeking a compact and user-friendly option. However, the recent Mini 4 Pro left room for improvement. While it's a good drone overall, the upgrades over the Mini 3 Pro felt incremental, especially considering the price increase. In this video, we explore what DJI has planned for the upcoming Mini 5 Pro and why it might be the game-changer we've been waiting for. The Mini 4 Pro, released 6 months ago, introduced small improvements, such as an additional obstacle avoidance sensor and enhanced transmission range with OcuSync 4. However, with a $150 price hike, many enthusiasts felt it didn't deliver enough value for the cost. Now, as we look forward to the Mini 5 Pro, exciting new features and advancements are emerging that could redefine DJI's compact drone lineup. Here are the key improvements and why they matter. One of the Mini series' biggest selling points has always been its sub-250 grams weight, which exempts it from FAA registration. Despite packing professional features, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain this ultra-lightweight design, making it ideal for travelers and hobbyists alike. For the first time in the Mini series, DJI is rumored to include an advanced LiDAR sensor system, borrowed from the DJI Air 3. This upgrade will dramatically improve obstacle detection and object tracking, making the Mini 5 Pro safer and more intuitive to fly. Building on the Mini 4 Pro's sensors, the Mini 5 Pro will feature 2 extra front-facing obstacle avoidance sensors. Working in tandem with the LiDAR system, these enhancements promise better object detection and safer navigation, even in challenging environments. The Mini 5 Pro will reportedly feature strengthened motors with improved venting for enhanced performance and durability. This redesign will provide better wind resistance, greater stability, and improved cooling for prolonged use. Advanced AI tracking technology will make its debut in the Mini 5 Pro. Capable of precisely following fast-moving objects, this feature will cater to action filmmakers and sports enthusiasts, providing smooth and professional-grade footage. With support for 5G connectivity, the Mini 5 Pro will offer a more seamless and responsive live streaming experience. This improvement is especially valuable for professional content creators who rely on real-time reliability. Flight time has always been a critical concern for drone pilots. The Mini 5 Pro addresses this with a 40-minute flight time, an improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's performance. This allows for longer creative sessions without frequent battery changes. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to raise the bar with a 1-inch sensor capable of capturing 4K footage at 60 FPS. This upgrade will deliver better dynamic range, superior low-light performance, and sharper, more detailed images, making it a powerful tool for aerial photography enthusiasts. With only 2 GB of onboard storage in the Mini 4 Pro, frequent media transfers were a hassle. The Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to feature at least 8 GB of internal storage, allowing users to focus on capturing content without interruptions. While DJI typically follows a 1-year release cycle, the Mini 5 Pro is projected to launch in the summer of 2025. This extended timeline gives DJI more time to refine these features and ensure the Mini 5 Pro meets high expectations. At an expected price range of $700 to $800, the Mini 5 Pro will need to justify its cost with meaningful improvements. A larger sensor, advanced tracking capabilities, extended flight time, and enhanced connectivity are just some of the features that could set it apart from its competitors. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to redefine the compact drone market. By addressing user demands and delivering cutting-edge features, it could be the standout model in DJI's Mini series. By the way, the Mini 4 series continues to be a very good series. You can check the current prices in the video description. Before ending the video, I'd like to say that if you're planning to buy a drone in 2025, subscribing to my channel will keep you updated on the latest news and reviews. I'd also love to hear your thoughts about the Mini 5 Pro in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.